We got our little helper helping out for the Christmas gifts. It's rather cold today, so she's making like a caterpillar and getting in a cocoon. However, we got some nice maple here. You know, a little bit of knots and stuff, but nothing too bad. And we got some walnut as well. Now, you know, if I would have had it my way, I would have preferred to get only a dark piece of walnut. You can see here there's a little bit of color in there. But, you know, it's going to be an end grain cutting board, and I think, you know, we're still going to be able to, even though this wood isn't necessarily choice cut, it was, you know, a little cheaper, so going for a budget cutting board, let's say. That's a real square block. And the little slivers that you cut, you can actually use as throwing stars. So hard. Check it out. Turned out pretty good. Here, put it right here so they can see it.
Shabby.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna have no problem at all sanding that up, making it look nice. There's a massive gap, honestly, between, but I think we can still make that work, right? Look, you can see light through it, which isn't good, but it's okay. We can actually probably just fill that with a little bit of glue or something, or some wood filler, you know. And that's the joy of doing this the way we did it, you know, in individual sections. But we're still going to get a really nice, good-looking product from it.
What if it just falls apart one day when my dad's freaking meat in the barbecue?
No way. No way, dude. It is matching. I mean, it's a little bit darker than the maple, a little bit lighter than the walnut. It's going to look great once it's all said and done. Okay, so there you have it, 3 very beautiful cutting boards we've created. You can see here the beautiful contrast that the walnut and maple make. Now, you know, this series wasn't without faults, right? We had some issues with the separation between some of the layers and stuff, but all in all, they turned out great. I mean, some really beautiful cutting boards. We're gonna let them soak for 24 hours, wipe any excess oil off, and that's gonna be a job well done. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.